Welcome to Mithi's kitchen. Today we are making aloo with chicken biryani, and it's like a restaurant style, and I can show you how we can make it delicious biryani. So let's we start now. I have this my pot and I have one down on little bit low heat. The same time I have one other pot with the hot water, so we will turn on the stove too so that can get it warm. So let's we start over here. I'm adding like a 6 tablespoon of olive oil. At this point I will add, I have some dry spices, which is few bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 3 of them green cardamom, and also black pepper and cloves, and also cumin seed. So at this point we will add our dry spices. So friends, at this point we will add our potatoes. We will let it fry potato probably few minutes until it gets little bit soft. So friends, you can see that I will let it fry couple of minutes our potatoes, so it can be little bit soft. At this point I will add garlic, ginger and green chili paste. So each of garlic, ginger and green chili I have took the 2 tablespoons of it. So we will let it go down. Also we will add dry spices, which I have is 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, half tablespoon of garam masala, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and spicy red chili and Kashmiri red chili, each of tablespoon, and also this is biryani masala and also salt. At this point I will add our 4 tomatoes puree. Same time I have fried onion cup of, so I'll add it half of it. At this point I will add, I have mint and also coriander leaves, that I will add it like a half. Same time I will add half cup of yogurt. we will let it cook maybe minute or two, and I'll show you the next process. So at this point, after cooking couple of minutes, we will add the aloo bukhare. And also I have 2 kilograms of chicken, and now it's time to add chicken. But at this point I will add just a tablespoon of meat tenderizer, so that will make meat more very quick soft, so I will add like a tablespoon of it, and teaspoon actually, not tablespoon. So at this point it will be both sides when we mix it well. At this point I will add my chicken in this potatoes, and so you can see that now still our heat is on medium, but for a few minutes, I will probably 3 to 4 minutes, I will turn a little bit on medium high. So friends, now you can see that our water is enough hot. So at this point we will add bay leaves, black cardamom, green cardamom of 3, clove, black pepper, cumin seed, and also salt. So we will let it boil probably just 2 minutes more. So now you can see that our water is boiled enough. At this point we will add our 3 cup rice, which I have basmati rice, and I have soaked for 20 minutes. And we will let it cook like 4 to 5 minutes until it's like halfway done. So you can see that our all spices got very well blended with the hot water, boiling water. So we will let it cook another few minutes. So friends, you can see that after 10 minutes our chicken got very good cook, and just a slightly amount of this water, but while our rice is cooking it will be turned on very good. At this point I will add a little bit of lemon water and half of more onion. You need to make sure always that excess of water needs to be dry, otherwise it will turn like a pulao, So we have to make sure it's getting enough dry that just can absorb the rice, and it cook rice very well, and rice can be separate from the other masalas and things like that. So we will let it cook for a few seconds. So friends, now you can see that our rice is ready the way we wanted to do. So I will turn off stove and let me drain the rice. At this point, we will add our rice. So now we will let it cook our rice with that, and I'll add some lemon juice, also tablespoon of yogurt, some dry green chili, fried onion, at the same time I have some cut green chilies, also some coriander leaves. Now I have my stove very slow heat, so we will let it cook another 5 to 7 minutes with a low heat. And I have my lid is enough heavy, so we don't need any extra covering or anything. So we will let it cook another 5 to 7 minutes. So friends, now you can see that our biryani is getting very well done, and at this point I will add just a tablespoon of kevra essence. That's it. And I will turn it off stove, and we will let it cook just couple of minutes. Friends, now you can see that our biryani is very good, and we will add it to the serving plate. So at this point you can see that our rice is very separate and biryani turned very well. So please try to use these recipes. You will really enjoy that. If you have any question, comments, please leave it on our comment box. And I'll be back again with another simple recipes. Until then, have a blessed day.